UNBOX Nation, are you in need of a nice portable MagSafe power bank that also doubles as an Apple Watch charger? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this power bank from Innostyle. All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark from loosescrewzzandviews back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little MagSafe portable power bank that's 10,000 mAh and has a built-in Apple Watch charger. Alright, from a company called Innostyle. But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none of this is possible. Alright? And also, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright. Oh, View Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with, yes, another power bank. Tell you, since I got this doggone iPhone, it's been power bank, MagSafe, back to back to back. But anyway, I ain't complaining. Let's go ahead and get to this bad boy right here. Give some specs for the spec junkies out here. It's the Innostyle MagSafe wireless power bank, 10,000 mAh, fast charging. Like I said, MagSafe earlier. Also, it has a built-in Apple Watch charger. Okay, so got a built-in, 2-in-1. Okay, I'm liking that. Comes in 3 different colors. Comes in the black, pink, and right here, like we have here, the powdered blue. Also, it says you could charge 4 devices at one time, and it also supports pass-through charging. So while if you ran out of juice on it and you want to go ahead and charge it, and like overnight you're sitting down on your nightstand, you want to sit down and let it charge, you could also still charge your devices and this at the same time. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we're working with. All right, let's just see the back of the box real quick. There we go. If we'll go ahead and focus, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we're working with. Hopefully I don't have to tear the box. Yep, tear the box. All right. Okay, didn't want to tear the box up, but it is what it is. All right, toss that box to the side. All right, let's see, open this up. How do you get this bad boy open? All right, I'm just going into beast mode, just tearing it up. Boy. All right, let's see if I can get it out of here. They got it packed real good, I'll tell you that. Boy, I just destroyed the box, didn't I? Toss that to the side. What is this? This look like some stickers or something. Let me see, make sure. Yeah, these comes with some stickers right here. So if you're into stickers, give you some stickers to go with it. All right, we're gonna put that right there to the side. Structure booklet. All right, so you might want to hold on to that. I'm gonna put that under here. Also, it comes with a little short USB-C to USB-A charger. So it's not just USB-C to USB-C, which would have been nice, but I ain't complaining. Just a little short charger. Let me see. I happen to have a tape measure right here. See how long this is, because this is really short. Let's see here. This is about. We're looking at about 10 inches. All right, it's about 10 inches. All right, let's put that back over here. It's real small, so you might want to invest in another USB-C cable, for charging. But anyway, let's take this bad boy out, and voila! Look at that. Looks pretty cool. Got the Innostyle on this. It's showing you got Innostyle. Got the little minimum branding right here. It's got, letting you know where the charging pad is on the power bank. And let's see here. It has 2 USB-C ports right here. All right. So basically, this cord is just basically to charge up the power bank, not for you to use it with this to charge anything else up, because it's just 2 USB-C. So you know, I think it would have made sense to have, you know, been USB-C to USB-C. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's see here. And this right here, I ain't never seen this before. Got the built-in Apple Watch charger. Let me pull it. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. See right here? You just pull it out. I think that's okay. That's magnetic. All right. That's just cool. So when you're taking it out and you want to, you know, you want to go ahead and charge, you can sit it right here and set your phone on top of it. So let me go ahead and so we got the Apple Watch over here, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see how good the magnet is. Okay, and that's what this nice little leather case on here. So it's actually sticking on there. Okay, and not having any problems. Now I ain't finna shake it too much, you know, because I noticed when I put this case on, you know, it's kind of thick, and you know sometimes the magnets, you know, don't lose kind of their strength. But this one is doing pretty good. All right, has some we have some, you know, LEDs right here, the power indicators. Where we at? Okay, let's see if we get a little closer where you can see that. My light is just too bright today. Power button right here. All right. Okay, when I hit that power button, I guess that was turning on the Apple Watch charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it again. I'm pressing hold, and it should go off. Yep, it went off, and it was like it's cycling through. So anyway, what I want to do is let me see if the wireless charger is fast or not. I got the old Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Yes, I'm still rocking the Android, and I just made this case into a MagSafe case. You know, one of the products I had one of the MagSafe rings, so I just put it on the case, and now I can, you know, charge my my Samsung just like I charge my iPhone. All right, too cool. So I'm gonna put it on here. See if we get fast charge. Hit the power button on here. Fast charge. Look at that. Let me do that again because this glare is killing me today. Take it off and put it back on so you guys can see that. Give it a minute. Fast charge. So it does wireless fast charge. Okay. All right. Oh, see, now you see right here, it's strong right here. It's hard. I can shake this real hard. It's hard to get it off. It makes a difference if you have a thick case. And just letting you know, it's not going to be as strong. But a thin, see-through case like this, boy, it was hard to pull off compared to the iPhone with the thick leather case on there. But I still got to rock my cool leather case. A video coming up on some of my favorite MagSafe products right here, like this Mophie right here. This is my favorite. But anyway, let's get back to here. I'll get sidetracked. But anyway, let's go ahead and let me see if we can charge. Matter of fact, I want to see if I can charge the AirPod Pros. All right, let's check this out. Okay. Okay. Well, the magnet ain't gonna be that strong because I got this thick case on here. Okay, it was charged. I heard a ding. Put it back on there again. Okay, it's charging. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off my Apple Watch Ultra 2. Yep, this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So I'm gonna take that off, and let's see here. Pull this apart. All right, this is gonna be the moment of truth. Let's see here. Put it on here. Okay, let's see if we are recharging. Yes, we are charging. All right. So let's go ahead and put the Apple Watch on here. Not sure how much charge I got on here, but let's go ahead and put it on here and see what we're working with. Oh man, that stuck quick. All right, I'm guessing I got to push the button on here for that part to start working. So we're counting down. Not sure if I got it on the right way. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. So it'll take a minute for it to go ahead and connect. But as you see right here, it's charging. All right, it's charging. Let me hold it up where you can see it like this. It's charging. All right, get this a little closer. Oh, I just took it off, but I'm messing it up already. Anyway, yep, it does the fast charge. Let's see how strong this magnet is too. Let's see how fast. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. All right. It's able to hold it. All right. And I'm shaking it. I'm shaking it. I'm not shaking it too hard. All right. All right. Okay. Well, it's got a decent, decent battery in there for the Apple Watch Ultra. Let me see. I messed something up on here. Let's see here. I can go ahead and I'll mess with that later on. I ain't got time for that right now. But what I want to try to test out is, let me see, do I got a USB-C cable? Yeah, I got USB-C cable right here. So I want to go ahead and charge. I'm gonna plug something else up to see. Matter of fact, it's on this side. I'm gonna plug this up and then plug the other end. I'll put the Apple Watch on there. And let's see here, what I'm gonna plug up. All right, I'm gonna plug up the Note 20 Ultra. All right, okay, now I see something. Well, when you plug up more than one device, you're not gonna see fast charge. And I didn't notice, they didn't tell me what the wattage was on the website. Let's see here, is it in the instructions? 20 watt max, all right? Let you see this right here. 20 watt max output. All right, so just think about it. You got 1, 2, 3 devices. It's dividing at 20 watts. So you know, it's obvious it's not going to do fast charge with all 3 of them together. But let me test something else out before I take it apart. I'm gonna take the Apple Watch off and the iPhone, and I'm gonna unplug this. So I'm gonna plug it back. And let's see if that makes a difference. Yep. Fast charging. Yep, so it makes a difference. So just, FYI, if you decide to pick one of these up, it does do fast charging. It does fast charging, wireless fast charging, and it charges your Apple Watch. But, when you plug more than one device up, it's not going to charge all 3 of them in fast charge, all right? All right. Also, let me see something real quick. Oh, here we go again. Train always likes to come through right when we're filming. So, bear with me, View Nation, bear with me. But it actually does, it does work. I mean, it's cool. I mean, I'm looking, boy, I'm about to break the watch already. Wow, ain't even had it a year, about to break it. But anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information for it. Because like I say, I'm not an expert in all this stuff. I'm just a guy who loves tech and gadgets. And I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. So spec junkies, chill out in the comment section, all right? Chill out in the comment. I'm just, I'm not tech support. I'm just a regular everyday person who happens to love tech and gadgets, all right? All right. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This Innostyle MagSafe charger is pretty cool. 10,000 mAh. So I imagine you could charge up in the iPhone maybe twice. Maybe, it depends on how much juice you have in there. But I believe you could at least get one solid charge out of there, and probably also charge your Apple Watch. But I noticed though with this Apple Watch Ultra, I barely have to charge. I might charge it, every 3 days maybe, but I'm mostly using the Galaxy Watch the most. I'm still rocking the old bad boy, the old classic, the Frontier, the old bad boy. I know I need to upgrade, but hey, it is what it is. But anyway, yeah, this thing works pretty good. Like I say, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information. Because I'm finna stop all this rambling right here, because I have you guys here all day. But like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box where you get more detailed information. You can pick one up for yourself, all right? And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, All right? All right. Oh, and let's see here. The message for the day. The message for the day. I got it. If you put all your trust in people, you'll always be disappointed. So don't put all your trust in people. Put your trust in God, because if you put your trust in God, you'll never be disappointed. But if you put your trust in people, they let you down every time, because nobody's perfect. All right? I'm not trying to down anybody, but there's nobody perfect. Only one perfect is God. So, don't put all your trust in people. Put your trust in God. All right? That's the message for the day. This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby. And we out. Peace. All right, boy, let's juice up.